Countdown to Christmas, Ham Radio 2.0. This is going to be a 3 or 4 week weekly episode leading up to Christmas about what to get your ham radio operator, friend, family member, whoever for Christmas this year, and it's coming up.
Shut up and sit down.
All right, great. Good evening. Welcome to Ham Radio 2.0. My name's Jason. I'm KC5HWB. This is a new adventure for me, but on this channel, we do reviews and how-tos of all kinds of things that are new in amateur radio. So if that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing below and smashing that like button for me. So my Black Friday videos are quite popular. I did daily Black Friday videos during the whole week of Thanksgiving, both this year and last year, and all of those videos were really popular as far as the number of people viewing them and the watch time and all that kind of good stuff that promotes the YouTube algorithm. So I thought, why not do something for Countdown to Christmas? So basically, this series of videos will premiere every Thursday from today, until Christmas. And I might do something the weekend between Christmas and New Year's for like end of the year specials and whatnot. But this is just a few places you can check to see what kind of great ideas to purchase for a ham radio operator, friend, family member, loved one, whoever that you're shopping for this year. So where to go? So this is really kind of targeted towards people who are not ham radio operators. If you got a husband or wife who's a ham, a kid, especially a kid, if your child is a ham, some good stuff is going to be shown here. Let me know what you think. Put your comments below in the YouTube comments, and tell me where else I should be looking. Okay, so if you've been watching my videos for Black Friday, you see that I've gone to R&L Electronics pretty much every time. And quite frankly, the reason is because R&L Electronics supports this show. They are one of my sponsors and have been for most of 2019. So I do browse their website quite regularly, but they've got some good deals. So regardless of my motive, and they're really nice people to deal with. I've dealt with them before, and I got to meet Roger face-to-face for the first time at Dayton Hamvention of 2019. So today, this is kind of cool. This is a PowerWorks Sig Buddy. You plug it into your cigarette lighter adapter in your vehicle, and it's got 2 Anderson power poles. Something like this would be a great stocking stuffer. So if you look at it today, this video will post Thursday evening. So if you look at this today, as long as he's not sold out, he should still have some. But this daily special updates every day. This special today only section at the very top of this website, rnl.com, it updates every day. I think at midnight Eastern time, if I'm not mistaken. And a lot of the times are newer, not newer, but smaller items such as this. Antennas, connectors, etc. Make great stocking stuffers for ham radio operators in the family and whatnot. I am happy to see that he's still got his $899.89 with free shipping for his ICOM IC7300, which was the deal he had all week during Black Friday week of this year. So that's nice to see. It does say limit 2 per customer, and it says special price valid until 12/31. So rnl.com is definitely a place you should be checking every day. First thing you get up in the morning, you're going to do some shopping or whatever. Check this daily special every day. The next place we're going here is to DX Mini. If your ham radio operator person that you're buying for is interested in DMR, D-Star, System Fusion, P25, or any of the digital voice modes, this is one of my recommended hotspots. He has 3 versions. A brand new version that he's just calling V2 is dropping on December 9th. So about 4 days from the time of this recording. And you will see a review video on that device upcoming soon. In fact, if you go to the homepage here, these are my 2 review videos that I did prior to this. When it first dropped was this one, and then updates and new screen configurations on the second one there. So really good choice for a ready to go digital voice hotspot The new one being dual time slot for DMR. If you're using DMR, that's important to a DMR user. So Main Trading Company is about 2 hours from me, and they've been in North Texas for 7 or 8 years. A lot of really good deals to be had on this website. He posted a video last night about December deals. So that's his new thing about December deals. He does have if it snows, it's free at MTC. Any individual who makes a qualified purchase on qualified products between Monday, November 12th and Saturday, December 14th. So we've only got about 9 more days for that. Which he's calling the qualified sales period, at Main Trading Company is entitled to a refund in the amount of the full purchase price, excluding sales tax and delivery charges, in the event that newly fallen snow total accumulation of 1 inch or more occurs at the shop in Paris, Texas, on December 25th, between the hours of 12 a.m. and midnight that night, so for a 24-hour period. So if it rains 1 inch or more in a 24-hour period on December 25th, Central Standard Time, in Paris, Texas, he'll refund your purchase price. Snow in North Texas is rare but not unheard of. It actually snowed a few years ago around the Dallas-Fort Worth area on Christmas Eve. That was pleasant because that doesn't happen a lot. Anyway, he's still even without that, he's still got quite a few things going for the holiday season. Christmas Free Stuff 2019. Place any order over $250 and pick any item in this category for free. He'll add it to your shipment for free. LCD TV wall mounts. That might be great if you're planning on getting an LCD TV for Christmas for somebody. Then you can maybe get a free wall mount if you additionally buy items from Main Trading Company, $250 or more. So I would advise to come around here, look for whatever you're specifically looking for. Do some shopping, figure out exactly what you're looking for, and then go from there. And maybe you'll find something that suits you for this holiday season. Ham Radio Outlet is obviously the largest retailer of ham radio equipment in the United States of America. They've got 14 or 15 locations nationwide in multiple states. So check and see. This is something you're going to want to check for also. Check and see if Ham Radio Outlet or someone else charges you sales tax. So a lot of these stores have the same prices. If you're looking for a radio, an ICOM something, this radio, a lot of them will have it all the same price. Most of them will give it to you for free shipping. But if you're buying it from a store that exists in your state, you have to pay sales tax. If you buy it from another store outside of your state, no sales tax. Basically, if you buy from Main Trading Company and you're not in Texas, no sales tax. But HRO has stores, 15 stores across the nation, so they usually charge sales tax in a lot of different places. Having said that, their prices are generally very good. They are the exclusive supplier of the Zoom Spot digital voice hotspot. Not quite as versatile as the DX Mini. Screen's a lot smaller, single time slot as the one you see here for DMR, but also a little bit cheaper. So there's that. So it really kind of depends on what the ham radio operator in your world is looking for. So hamradio.com is their website. Main Trading Company is mtcradio.com, dxmini.com, and randl.com. The word and is spelled out. The letter R, A-N-D, the letter L.com, randl.com. So those are, at least for the first video, that is where I recommend you start, especially the daily specials at RNL. I've got several other sites that I'll direct you to next time. We're going to get some Amazon links out there. Look in the description below. I've got some Amazon links down there. Amazon's always a good spot for certain items. If you're going to buy big ham radio stuff, expensive HF rigs, don't go to Amazon because they're more expensive there, and usually the support there is not as good as it would be. Well, 99 times out of 100, the support at Amazon is not as good as it would be in a smaller shop like RNL or MTC. So, but if you're just talking little stocking stuffer type items, Amazon's always a good place to do that. So we'll talk about Amazon during the episode next week. Put your comments below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there's something specific you're looking for, if there's a specific place you're looking for, if there's a specific dollar amount you're looking for, something like that. And we will talk about it next week on the next installment of Countdown to Christmas 2019. 73 to everyone. And I hope to see you next time.